Hello everyone, welcome to my channel NCRT Mathematics Learning Hub. So as promised with you, I'm going to discuss with you people the question number 7 of exercise 3.2. Okay, so this is somewhat different question, little bit, which is based on the graph question, and many of the times it has been appeared in the preparatory exams and all. So please do not skip any part of the video and watch the complete video. So now let us read the question. Draw the graph of the equation, these two equations. Determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and the x-axis, and here the triangular region. So they are saying that if you will draw the solution, if you draw the graph for these two equations, then it will be forming a triangle there, and whatever the triangle you are getting, that will be with the x-axis, and you need to shade that triangular region. Okay, so let us just first our duty is to as already the equation have been given to you, we'll just directly draw the small tabular column. Okay, so let us write the x and y coordinate here also, here also. And what is the first equation? You have x minus y is plus 1 is equals to 0. Okay, so I have discussed that. Let one variable should be on the right and one variable should be on the left. So if x is positive here, let me keep x here only, and let me take y on the right side. So if I'm, and another variable also, I need another, whatever the things are there on the left, I need to shift it on the right. So y, and here you can observe plus 1, so after shifting it will become minus 1. So this is your one equation. Now coming to the next equation, here you can observe both are positive itself. So you can take any of the, you can keep any of the values here, and you can shift any other value on the right. So if I am keeping 3x this side only, then it will be 12 minus 2y, right? But I don't want 3x, I want only x, right? So because of that, I need to shift this 3 to the right. So x is equals to 12 minus 2y divided by 3. So these are the two equations that we have got it. Now let us put the value of y to get the value of. So let us just put some values to get the lines. So if I am going to put here 1, then if let us find out what are we going to get the value of x. So if here it is x is equals to y is 1, so 1 minus 1, it is nothing but 0. So for y is equals to 1, you got x as 0. Now if I am going to put here 2, let us see what I am going to get y value, x value. So 2 minus 1, which is equals to 1. So for y2, you got x as 1. Now in the same way, let us do it for this one also. This equation, yes. So if I am going to put here y as 0, so let me just put y as 0, then let us check what I am going to get. 12 minus 2 into 0, which divided by 3. Very careful you need to do it, very carefully you need to do it actually, because if any mistake you have done it here in this step, then the graph also will get wrong, and you may lose your marks very for the simple reason. Okay, so 12 minus 2 zeros at 0 divided by 3. So 12 minus 0 is 12 itself, divided by 3, which is equals to 3 ones are 3 fours are, so 4. So for y value 0, you got the x value 4. So now let us put the y value as 6. Any random value you can take, you may get for this equation, for you particularly for this equation, if you are going to put some values according to you, you may get the answer in decimal. So after getting the answer in decimal also, anyways you have the graph sheet with you. So easily you can just count each milli values also, and you can mark the points. Okay. So no need to get always the whole number, it is not required. Whatever you are getting, just start marking that. So if I have taken it as 6, let us find out the value of x now. 2 into 6 divided by 3. So 12 minus 2, 6 are 12 divided by 3. So 0, 12 minus 12 is 0 divided by 3, and 0 divided by any number is always 0. So 0 you got for x value 0 you got, and yes, for y value 6 you got x value 0. So now let us start plotting this point. Before that, let us write the scale. So anyways, there is no change in scale. X-axis you can observe 1 centimeter is equals to how much? It is 1 unit only. And y-axis also there is nothing change. 1 centimeter is 1 unit. Okay, so don't forget to write the scale. So now let us plot these points. So for the first equation, for first point is 0 comma 1. So for x 0, 1, y is 1. So this is the point. Now second point is 1 comma 2. So for x 1 you have y 2. So it is here, this point, right? So let me just mark it in some neat manner. Yes. So now let us draw a line for this, and by joining these 2 points. So this is the line, we have got it. Now let us name the point as well as the line. So this is nothing but 0 comma 1, and this point is nothing but 1 comma 2, and this line is x is equals to y minus 1 line. Now coming to the next line, that is for x value is 4, you will get it as 0. So x is 4, y is 0, so you need to stop here only, right? Then for x 0, y is 6. So for x is 0 here, y is 6. So here you need to mark this. So now let us again draw the line by joining these 2 points. This is the line. Now let us mark these points also, and the line name also. So this point is nothing but 0 comma 6, and this point is nothing but 4 comma 0. What is the line? It is x is equals to 12 minus 2y divided by 3. Okay, so now you can observe here you are getting a triangular region with the x-axis. This is what they were talking about. You will be getting a triangle with the x-axis, and you need to shade the triangle. So which is the triangle? You can observe here this complete region is forming a triangle. So let me just shade it like this. Understood? So if you want, you can just name it as A, B and C. This is C. So ABC is the triangle, and they have let us just write the vertices points also. Okay, so yes, ABC is the triangle with the vertices A. What is the vertices of A? 1 comma. Here you can observe it is, let us just mark this. On the x-axis it is 2, on the x-axis 2, and on the y-axis it is 3. Then let us name this. This is all 4 comma 0 only. Then what about this? This is nothing but this point. It is nothing but minus 1 comma 0. Right. So let us name it here. A is having the coordinate 2 comma 3. Then B is having the coordinate minus 1 comma 0, and C is having the coordinate 4 comma 0. So these are the coordinate of the triangle which is found by intersecting the 2 lines. So that's it for now. In the next video we will be starting with exercise 3.4. We will be learning how to solve the pair of linear equation in the elimination method. that is very easy and very important for you on the based on your exam point of view. Okay, so please don't forget to visit that video. And please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon.